This place has collapsed. Vintage gas station from the 1940s or 50s. It's collapsed, so oh boy, what's on the shelves? What's in here? There's something old. It's heavy. It's got a train. It's in bad shape, but it's full of something. Something's inside it. That's from the 50s. That's what's inside it. Shaver. Cool. It's like mint. Why is it in here? Oh wow, look. It's meant for that. That is cool. It's really old. That is nice. Well, I don't know how to put it back in. Oh, there it goes. No. There it goes. That's cool. What is this? Oh, look. And there's the rest of the shaver. Cool. It's very old. It's from like 1910. So there you have it. That's really cool. Complete shaver. For some reason the top part is in this little Sucrets container type thing. El Producto Dutch Masters. 2 for $1. So whenever cigars were 2 for $1, I would say that's from the 60s. Nothing's really in here. Some kind of gauge right there. This thing. That's a gauge right there. Old bell. Here's something that says Gulf. Not that old though. There's an old thermostat. It's old, man. $2.90. There's another one that's really old. 50s. Put it over here. Seatbelt kit. So that's after 62 probably. Old bottle of can of Raid. Hot Shot. Starting fluid. It's probably from the 60s. There's a lot of vintage stuff here that's just too far gone though. Old bottle of something. $1971. So this thing has been sitting since 1971 possibly. It's got all this wood on it. I can't even move it. Good tires still. Old Playboy. Oh. Type 1. Does this come up? It needs work. This doesn't look too old in here. This battery. Restorable. Ah, here's maybe the name of it. Honda. It's a Honda, man. It's an early 70s Honda, or late 60s. This place collapsed. This stuff is totally exposed. That's a battery. General Electric. Vintage bulb, ruined. Why didn't anybody pick this place at least? And save some of this stuff. A lot of General Electric stuff. There's another bulb. Very old. 1950s maybe. Got this cabinet here. It's on its side. My foot just went through the floor. magazines. Magazines from maybe the 1967. With an old radio. I ain't even gonna touch it. Probably doesn't. It'll never work again. There's another room in here, but I can't get into it. It's a shame. There's all vintage stuff in there from the 50s, late 40s even. And then you got that shaver. This thing's on wheels. It's a display case. Skis. It says RCA Victor. Upside down now. There's a speedometer to a motorcycle. Really cool screwdriver. And this is a recent addition. The Coors Light bottles, although they've been there for a long time. Okay, and then one last look at this Honda. Signing out.